Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is Rocky from Rockside RC. Just want to welcome everybody back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome you also. Thank you very much for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Today, we're working on the Deadbolt. I took this thing out to Platinum Hobbies out in Southern New York, and they actually are making a course for the 10 scale, and they already have a course for the 24th scales and the 18 scales. And shout out to Platinum Hobbies, actually, for letting us videotape and, do some test running with the Deadbolt. The Deadbolt is stock, just has the Mickey Thompson Proline tires and wheels, plastic wheels though. Again, stock ESC and 2-in-1 receiver, of course. You have your stock motor. And now what we're gonna do is just add some Enduro wheels for a little bit of weight down low. And looks, of course. So just to show you, these are the wheels that I went with. These are the wagon wheels. I think they look pretty cool on the Deadbolt. All right, let's check it out. All right, it's a 1.5, I believe. Yep. To take the wheels apart, the bead locks. So I'm gonna take these bead locks apart and take these tires and put them on those Enduro wheels. Just have 3 1.5s to take out, to take the wheel apart. While I'm doing this, why don't you guys check out the video that I made at Platinum Hobbies. Again, they're in Southern New York. They're making the 10 scale crawler course also. And again, they already have the 18 and 24th scale crawler course already, so. Just kick them to the right. There you go. Nice, bro. Nice. You got it. Nice, bro. I think it's sick. You're killing it. Got it. Sick, bro.
All right, Jay, go get the other one out of the cabinet. Give me 2 minutes. I'll take it.
And those wheels are from Proline. I think like $30 for 4.
Okay.
You'll beat that.
Those things perfect.
Right? Let me know, bro. Oh, yeah, you good.
Easy.
Nice, bro. One stock of tires, man. That's it. Oh, whatever you want, bro. Enjoy. Enjoy, man. This is definitely one of my favorite part of RCing is the crawling, bro. Nice. My fault. Nice, bro. Yep, you got it. Right?
Because it's lighter than the 2.
Yeah, in some sense, lighter is better. In some sense, not always. Okay, you know what? Oh, nice bump. That was a nice bump. Yep. Safe. Safe, bro. You good? You got it. Nice, bro. That was a nice catch. Nice. Sick, bro. Nice. Nice save. Right.
100%.
You got it. Oh, this one? That's a good challenge. Right? You got it.
Hello. Yeah, I'll be there. turn this, or is it gonna come tumbling down on it?